Come to fourth part in question number 4. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problem and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. Okay, in this part also you form a pair of linear equation and after that you find the solutions by any algebraic method. Only just I am going to find the pair of linear equation. Place A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car B at the same distance. If the car travel in the same direction at a different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What is the speed of two cars? In this question, two places, one place is A, another place is B. They are at a distance of 100 km. One car start from A and another car start from B to start travel. There are two conditions. When these two cars travels in same direction, then they meet in 5 hours. If they travels to each other, if they travels to opposite side, to opposite direction, they meets in 1 hour. What is the speed of two cars? Okay, so we need to find the speed of two cars. So here are two cars, car A and car B. In this case, just we let the speed of fast car B as x and the speed of other car B as y. Now, for two cases, when these two car travels in same direction, then the relative speed will be the speed of fast car minus speed of other car. Means when these two car travels in same direction, then the relative speeds will in same directions will be the difference of their speeds, means x minus y. Okay, because the speed of fast car be x and speed of other car be y, so relative speed in same direction x minus y. And when two cars travels in opposite direction, means to each other, in this case the relative speed in opposite direction, the speed will be added, means the speed of fast car plus speed of other car. Okay, in both the cases, in first case in same direction the speed will be subtracted and in opposite direction the relative speed will be added. Okay, now we have distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, now for both the relative speeds we need to form a pair of linear equations by two conditions. If the car travels in the same direction at a different speed, they meet in 5 hours. This is first condition. So relative speed for same direction will be x minus 5 and time is 5 hours and total distance between two cars is 100 km. Is it okay? Because we have d is equal to s into t and distance is already given 100 and the relative speed for same direction is x minus y and time taken when they travel in same direction it is 5 hours. So the equations will be formed x minus y into 5 is equal to 100. Now x minus y is equal to 100 upon 5. Reduce it, x minus 5 is equal to 20. That is equation number 1. Now by the second condition, if they travels towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. When they travels to each other, so relative speed in opposite direction is here x plus y, this is speed into time, time is 1 hour is equal to distance is same is equal to 100 km. Okay, now the second equation will be as such, x plus y is equal to 100. This is second equation. Now we have two equations. By any algebraic equations it can be solved to get the value of x and y. Okay, that will be the speed of two cars. Is it okay? That's all.